Hello, this is Isaac. I will be showing you how to navigate the application self-service on a district-appointed device. Self-service is like the App Store or any digital application that gives you apps on a device, but the district manages what apps can be on it. Let's say you want to download Google Chrome because you do not want to use the browser. You will click Install. This little circle means that it is installing. If you click the icon of the app, it will give you a description of the app. Let's say you want to know about the game Duolingo, and it says reinstall. That means the app is already on the iPad. But let's say you knew that it was already on the iPad and it was glitching. You would press reinstall so it can restart. That should help fix the glitches. And you can see here that Google Chrome has already been downloaded. Thank you for watching.